Alright, welcome back to my channel. Please endeavor to watch this video to the very end because I will be taking you on a tour to see the new look of the Lekki expressway. The street light has been installed in some area and they are still working. The dualization of the road still continue from Eleko all the way down to Awuyaya, so the construction is still ongoing. This is the completed part, and then I'm driving within Okegu right now. So endeavor to watch this video to the very end, and if you find this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, share this video with your loved one. Of course, by sharing this video, YouTube will be able to recommend this video to other people that may have need for this video. And then on this screen today, I'll be displaying some property prime real estate investment opportunity along the road, along the Lekki expressway. Those properties that are facing the Lekki International Airport and the proposed Fort Miller Bridge, and as well some of them on the other axis of the Lekki Deep Sea Port, where we are having a Amen City estate, combination of commercial and residential property that is selling as low as 25 million naira. You all know that is below the market price. The reason is because it's still on a pre-launch offer. And then right on this road, we are going to meet Itunu residential, which is sold out at 35 million naira. And then we also have Amen Estate Phase 3. Amen Estate Phase 3 is one property that is selling way below market price within the axis of Ayetoro, Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Amen Estate Phase 3 is selling 500 square meter for as low as 18 million naira. And then this property is sharing boundary with Itunu City, like they are sharing the same gate. And then Itunu City is selling for as high as 30 something million naira currently. And then if you move a little bit further, you're going to meet with Tierra. Tierra is also owned by Amen Estates, and then Tierra is currently selling 500 square meter for as low as 15 million naira. So if you are interested in any of this property, please do well to hit my comment section, drop your comment, and then I'll be able to attend to your question. There's one estate I missed along the road before we get to Itunu City and Amen Estate Phase 3. The property is called the Fairmont Green Estate. This particular estate is sharing closest proximity to the Lekki International Airport. We just passed the signboard by the left hand, and then on the left hand still we pass Itunu Residential. Now this is Amen Estate Phase 3 you are seeing on the right hand, and then Itunu City. You can see both signboards are very close, so they are sharing gates and have told you their price right away. So it's up to you to decide which one you should go for. So do not forget, my name is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Realtors TV. I'm a real estate consultant in Lagos, Nigeria. My duty, what I delight in doing, is to provide you with an affordable, genuine, safe and secure real estate investment opportunity in Lagos, Nigeria. I also do road tour. I show you environmental updates, place for relaxation, recreational center, and all. On this channel, I've shown you Eco Atlantic City. I've taken you on a tour to Oniru Private Beach. On this same channel, I have shown you Ikorodu Road Tour, Mainland, Third Miller Bridge. I've shown you the road construction within Aja axis, where you have Awuyaya, Ibeju, Lekki. So all of these things are things I do. And then we have one property that is also new in the market. This property is actually facing ocean. It is called the wealthy islet. The name islet is being driven from when you find a piece of land in between the lagoon and the lake. That's the meaning of islet. So if you are interested in that property, hit my comment section with your question, then I will attend to you personally. I don't want to bore you with too many information. With what you are seeing right here on the screen, I'm too sure that you have decision to make as regarding your next real estate investment, the opportunity. So guys, you all know that in the axis of Lekki down to Ekpe, you see what Lagos State government is currently doing. Their eyes are all everywhere within the corners of Lekki and Ekpe today. We recently launched food and logistics in Ekpe. Lekki International Airport project has been approved. Lekki Deep Sea Port is currently being constructed to the final, and it has been handed over to the Lagos State government. And then Lagos Film City has been inaugurated as well. So all of these projects are some of the things that makes property within this location, within this axis, to skyrocket in price. So way back about 2 years, 3 years ago, you can actually buy property below 1 million, 2 million naira within this location, but you can't get it anything less than 5 million naira again. So all you needed to do is to buy now. It's still very affordable. The best time to buy real estate was about 5 years ago, and the second best time to buy is right now. Delay is dangerous. Call the number you are seeing on your screen, and I'll walk you through to help you secure any property within this location. My name, like I said, is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Realtors TV. I'm a real estate consultant in Lagos, Nigeria, and I help you secure property that give you high return on investment. I'll be waiting for your call after you must have watched this video till the very end. Of course, I know you will have decision to make at the end of this video. Watch this video to the very end and you will be glad you did. Again, welcome to Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to the new Lagos. Welcome to Lekki. Welcome to Ekpe. I look forward to see you again in my next video. For now, I say bye and enjoy the rest of the view.